Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about Finviz, whatever you guys call it, the stock scanner that a lot of people like myself use. This is going to be a full beginner's guide on how to actually use it. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Do it right now. Do it right now. Also, exciting news for all of you traders out there. I just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about strategies, how I find stocks, my mindset, all that stuff. So guys, check it out down below. You guys can use code YouTube for 20% off. So make sure you guys check it out down below. All right, so let's dive into it. What is Finviz? Well, Finviz, like I said, it's a stock screener, stock scanner that a lot of traders, a lot of investors use to get a general idea of what's going on in the market, as well as the screener, so you can put in different criteria and you can find stocks that maybe meet your strategy. So this is going to be the home page here. Now the home page has pretty much the top 4 indexes: the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, S&P 500, and the Russell 2000. And you guys will see we had a pretty solid day today in the market. As we scroll down a little bit, we have advancing, new highs above, and then kind of just a general idea of what's going on. So as you scroll down here, this right here is going to be the stocks that are moving and grooving. These are going to be the top gainers, top losers, new highs, new lows. So maybe if you're a day trader, you might look at some of these stocks to find opportunity in the marketplace. Now, off on the right-hand side here, you guys will see we have the S&P 500 map. So you guys can see we had a pretty solid day. Energy as a sector has been down a little bit. Now you can scroll in, you can click on individual companies and all that stuff. Now, as we go back to the homepage here, as we scroll down, we have different signals. So like maybe if you like finding stocks that are on support lines or maybe on trend line resistance, they have a variety of them right there. Then we got a different channel, different signals on this side here. We got major news off to the right here. Obviously there is going to be ads. Now this is why a lot of people actually pay for the premium version, because the free version of Finviz is awesome. I recommend it for everybody, but it's not real time. It's delayed about 15 minutes. So if you're a day trader, I would look at the the premium version, which is about around $30 a month. I'll put a link to it down below. But all right, as we scroll down here, we got major headlines. We got recent quotes. If you guys looked at any earnings release coming up, insider trading here. So you got insider buying, insider selling. So maybe if you are into that, you got Forex and bonds, you got futures, and that's everything on this home page here. The next thing that you guys need to know is you guys can search up any company you want. So if you want to pull up like Apple, AAPL, you can do that. You just got to type it in and you can go ahead and do it like that. Now, the next little menu tab other than the home is going to be news. News is super simple. It has news articles, nothing crazy. But by far, one of the more important tabs is the stock screener here. Obviously, the cool thing about this is you guys can save presets. So you guys can actually save all of this. So the cool thing is if you're a day trader, and we'll go through them, and if you want to find stocks that are under, let's just say $30, boom, you can do under 30, you can do volatility, you can do a whole bunch of things. And as you put stuff in, you guys will see like there's only 500 stock left, as we do. Another cool thing that they have, average volume, where's the signal? They have a really cool signal thing here on the pattern. So if you want to find stocks on support, you guys can click pattern and go support. Now, these menu tabs on the bottom here are just more ways to get a general idea of what's going on with the market. So you guys can limit them to valuation, financial, ownership, performance, technical, custom, charts. I always like to look at the charts. I think that's always good, so you can get a general idea of what's going on with the charting for all of you traders. That's what I am. And you can pull them up on your main charts here. Now, obviously, once you find something you like, you can go to my presets and click save. Once you click save, you can actually always revert back to that scanner, so you don't have to put in all that stuff. We're not going to save it. And then the next one here, other than the screener here, is going to be Another thing, if you want to just go ahead and do a bunch of stocks that are overbought, oversold, or have unusual volume, you can just do that right here. You don't have to go in and click them through all of them. Which is cool. So the next thing here is maps. Maps is like kind of like how I showed you. It's like the S&P 500. You can do the world, the full, and you can do the day's performance, the week performance, 1 year performance, relative volume, and a variety of other things. So if you want to find, stocks that have good dividend yields, you can do it there. And you can just mess around with this. Personally, I think the more important tabs is going to be the screener and the groups tab, the next one here. The groups tab, as we click that, you guys will see that today technology had a great day. But as we go to the week's performance, technology hasn't been doing well. So, you can use this to your advantage. As traders, we're looking for opportunity in the market. So we know healthcare is doing well. So maybe we're more inclined to go with healthcare companies or utility. As we scroll down, we know healthcare in the past month has been doing really, really well. As you just continue to go through, you guys can see stocks that are, or sectors that are doing really well. You can do like an overview as well, valuations, performance, custom, bar chart. I always like just the bar chart and just normal charts. I think the bar charts for me is a lot easier to look at here. The next one is portfolio. The cool thing, if you want to add stocks to like a watch list or something like that, you can do that. So if you just do new and add tickers, boom, you can add different companies, to it. So if you want to build like a little watch list out, you can do that there too. And then you can always revert back to them. And there's this little trade column right here, so you can see stocks that are moving and grooving still. So next one here is insider. This is going to be like the latest insider selling, trading, recent this week, all this stuff. So if you guys like to look at what different insider trading is going on, this is going to be the tab here. The next tabs I really don't use too much. There's the futures, not a future trader. The next one, forex, not a forex trader, and crypto, not a crypto trader. So but you guys can see we had a great day today. A cool thing though, if you guys have the Finviz Elite, you can back test some of your technical indicators, which is pretty sweet. So if you're working on a strategy, you can do back tests on them. So if you want to buy when the stock's undervalued on like the RSI or moving average, you can back test those strategy and see the probability of them, which is cool to see. So guys, this was a brief overview of how to use Finviz. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll put a link to it down below so you guys can check it out. But we'll see you guys later. Hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.